guys, so I'm going to show you a quick video of how I'm going to create a New Year's Eve DIY backdrop. So as you can see, I've got these streamers here, and the way I got these on the wall was by using thumbtacks. I used 8 thumbtacks. So if you've got some thumbtacks, then you can definitely create your own New Year's Eve DIY backdrop. I'm gonna go add the balloons now, so stay tuned for this video. All right, so those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. On my channel, I do a lot of crafts, healthy fitness videos, and beauty reviews. And so now let's get into the balloons. So for my DIY New Year's Eve wall, I'm going to be using this balloon as like my starter. It's a cute champagne balloon. I feel like that's very fitting for New Year's Eve. So there's a straw that comes with this balloon to pump them up, but if you don't want to use a straw, I ordered this balloon pump off Amazon. This also gets the job done too. So this is just gonna be my base. So blow this up first for sure. That way you can see what you're working with. It is this big. So you've got a lot of space to work with. And because this balloon backdrop wall that we're gonna be creating isn't that big, you don't have to worry about blowing up so many balloons, which is awesome. And it saves you a lot of time in case you're in a crunch for your party. All right, so now after all of that, it is finally done. We've got our champagne bottle, the very best. So now what I would do is position this on the wall, because the way I'm gonna have this is just have like little balloons going that way as if bubbly's pouring out. Or I could actually do it this way. Yeah, this way looks better. So yeah, I'll have it in this corner and then the balloons will go out that way. So I'm gonna put this on the wall. So the way I'm gonna put that on the wall is by using a command hook for the bottom of this part for this to attach to. And then I'll show you guys what the final look is. All right, so the command hook is now on, and I'm just gonna wait 1 hour until I hang the balloon onto this, because that's what the directions say. We want to make sure we follow the directions. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to blow up the balloons that are going to come down from the champagne bottle. All right, so all the balloons I'm using already have confetti in them, and they're already pre-tied. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to go through the process of untying them and then blowing them up. All right, so I'm going to be using my balloon air blower. This gets the job done so quickly. Let me show you guys the process. So to make sure that the confetti doesn't come out, I'm holding the top of the balloon right here, and then the rest will blow up the rest of the balloon. All right, tie up the base. And then we can put that rubber band back on it, if I could find it. Oh, here it is. Just to make sure that that confetti won't pop out. And there you have it. So I'll just repeat this process for all the balloons. Okay, so finally I was able to get the champagne on the wall. As you can see, literally took forever. And so now I'm just gonna go through and add this balloon strip right here. Wow, I look crazy. I'm gonna add this balloon strip. That way I can just have the champagne just flowing across. I was gonna try to do like a fancy design, but I'm at a point where it's just gonna all just come straight down. So have to be super careful with this because it literally took forever, like I said, to get the champagne bottle on the wall. so there can be no sudden movements. And then, so I'm gonna just use a thumbtack. I've got the top part, and I'll turn it because I want this to come this way. And then I'll use another thumbtack to go here. And then the rest will just flow all the way down. So now we'll just start adding the balloons. All right, so the final wall is complete. Go down, pan out this way. And I'll post a picture that way you guys can see, but I had to add this second top row so it could look more full. But I'm very satisfied with my little DIY New Year's backdrop. All right, so I hope everyone has a happy new year. I hope you stay safe and you are surrounded by your loved ones. This is my champagne DIY wall. I really love how it turned out. I'm very satisfied with it. And I will see you guys in the new year. See you next time. Bye.